Embarking on a home remodeling project is both an exciting and challenging endeavor. First, research and plan your project. Proper research and thorough planning are the cornerstones of a successful home remodel. Diving into the project without a clear plan can lead to unexpected complications, budget overruns, and delays. Second, establish clear communication with your contractor. Before starting the remodel, set the groundwork for how you and your contractor will communicate. Misunderstandings can lead to delays, budget overruns, and a stressful experience. Third, expect the unexpected. Remaining flexible in the overall scope of your home remodel can allow for creative solutions to unexpected opportunities and a more personalized end result that truly reflects your vision and needs. Fourth, maintain safety and minimize disruption. A home remodel can be a significant disruption to your daily life, especially if it involves major renovations. By taking proactive steps, you can create a safer environment for both your family and for the work crew, while making the experience more manageable and enjoyable for everyone. Fifth, wrapping up project completion and moving back in. As your remodel nears completion, it's time to start preparing for the final stages of the project and your move back into your newly transformed space. This phase can be both exciting and a bit stressful, as it involves inspections, touch-ups, and cleaning construction debris to ensure your home is ready for you to enjoy. A well-planned wrap-up process can help you settle back into your home smoothly and ensure you're satisfied with the results. Final thoughts: taking a proactive approach to preparation and collaboration with your contractor will ensure a smoother, more enjoyable experience. From setting a realistic budget and timeline to maintaining open lines of communication and preparing for the unexpected, every step of the remodeling process requires careful planning and flexibility. By researching and planning thoroughly, securing your home for safety, and managing disruptions, you can navigate the complexities of remodeling with greater confidence. Remember, a successful home remodel is not just about the end result, but also about the journey as well. For more information, or to request a free home remodeling consultation and price quote for your San Diego home, contact HK Construction at 858-748-6580.